Hey guys, I'm Greg with Anchor Coffee, the master roaster over here, and we've got a really exciting coffee that we're releasing on August 31st. It's up for pre-order. It's a coffee from Laos, from the Zamtai region. It's a natural. We sourced it from Yuni Coffee. They're based in Laos, but Tyler Gant, who's one of the founders of Yuni, is originally from here in Wilkes County, North Carolina. We partnered up with him a couple years ago to do a tasting and an event with his church and some other people in the community, and now we've got 20 kilos of the stuff that we're excited to release on the market on August 31st. We've got a pre-order set up. This coffee's super tasty. It's like strawberry shortcake, real creamy, got a little bit of a dirty body, but it's really, really awesome. I kept it at 84, 85. A lot of people like it, enjoy it, and I'm excited to release this coffee to you guys. So keep a lookout, check the website, we've got pre-orders up, going. It'll run out soon. Peace.